Hey guys, today I got a tutorial for you. So this is gonna be a Funimate tutorial, and yeah, super impressed. So first you go to your app Funimate, and I'm gonna teach you how to do basic transitions, inspired by Midnight Effect. Yeah. So go to animate right here, custom scale. You add one, add three. You have to be like far apart. And then yeah. But so this line has to be this one right here. And this line has to be this one right there. And so oh yeah, first add your audio in, of course, but I skipped that part because I'm forgetful, but yeah. That's kind of how this will go. Yeah. Just make sure to. And so just do that and just keep doing that. And if you're doing like a test, then of course just do it once probably. So then make sure to crop it to like to the beat, because like so right here you can keep doing it, but I'm gonna stop there. Next I'm gonna go into position, add there, position, add there, go there, so there, 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 and then just like just do that. And then like be cool. So then after you're done with that, okay, so go to simple, something like that. You can go to simple. I recommend a simple though, right there. And so it's kind of annoying, right? Okay. And then you go to position, you add a couple of them. Just add a couple of them. And so, yeah. Just like add, just go crazy. Just do what you want. It will kind of just turn out like that. And that would be your final result. So, as you can see, there's a little shake to that. I can tell if you don't like the shake and you just like the transition, okay, that's fine. But I'll just add it. And yeah. And it looks great. Like that. And then like it will keep You can just have like a swinging move. Or like something like that. Something, I don't know. You can just do whatever you want. I tried to do a swinging screen with this one time. It didn't really work, so yeah. Anyway, that's kind of what I'm just trying to get at. Anyway,